Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making an amazing lobster roll on the Arteflame grill. So the first thing that we want to do is light up the Arteflame, and here's how we do that. We're going to start by placing a couple of small sticks of oak wood in a Lincoln log pattern, and then we want to light this with a couple of fire starters. When we have a good fire going, we can add larger and more sticks to the fire. We want to keep doing this until the plancha sits at a temperature of about 500 degrees. Now when the Arteflame Plancha is up to temperature, it's time to put together the lobster roll, and here's how we do that. We want to chop 2 pounds of cooked lobster meat into half-inch pieces and set aside in a large bowl. Then we want to add 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning and toss with the meat in the bowl until the spice is evenly distributed. We're going to add a saute pan to the Arteflame Plancha, and then we want to add a stick and a half of butter and let it melt. When the butter is melted, we want to add the lobster meat, and then we're going to heat this for 2 to 3 minutes, warming the lobster meat only. We do not need to recook it. We want to add some butter that would mix with some Old Bay seasoning to the plancha as well. Then we're going to place a couple of brioche rolls on the plancha. When they have a nice color, we want to flip them over and brown the other side. And then we want to remove them from the grill. We want to add the lobster meat to the butter toasted rolls. Last but not least, we're going to drizzle a little bit of remaining butter from the pan on top of the lobster roll. And then these beautiful lobster rolls are ready to enjoy. And that is how I make my lobster roll on the Arteflame. And I think the only thing left to do is pour myself a very crisp Sauvignon Blanc from New Zealand here. There we go. And then I think it's time to try the lobster roll and see what it tastes like. And that, oh, that smells pretty amazing. So here we go. Wow. So good, so packed with flavor. Happy grilling. That is amazing.